Kim Pao tandem pilit na tinitibag ng mga concerned fans daw ni Paolo Avellino. Isang hindi magandang tweet ang nakarating sa management nang mag-announce ang ASAP Natin ng upcoming guesting ng Kim Pao. Ayon sa post na may caption na hindi ka makakaligtas sa pamatay na kilig na dala ng one of today's hottest love teams #Kim Pao. Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino. Agad namang may nag-reply na nagpapakilalang concern lang at fan na fan ni Paolo Avellino. Ayon dito, at pag nawasak ang Kim Pao, Kim Chu fans mag-demolition job at character assassination kay Paolo Avellino. Talagang walang kadala-dala ba ang ABS-CBN sa kulto ni Kim Chu? In other words, if Paolo Avellino's fans really love him, they should try to put an end to Kim Pao even before it really takes off. Kayo din, the level of bashing that always came from Kim Chu fans is profane. Save Paolo Avellino from Kim fans at all cost. Ayon sa kanya, kapag nabuwag ang Kim Pao tandem ay kukuyugin ng mga fans ni Kim Chu ang karakter ni Paolo Avellino kagaya daw ng ginawa nito kay Sian Lim. Kaya naman, ayon sa kanya ay habang maaga pa ay dapat nabuwagin ng kapamilya executives ang tandem nila ni Kim Chu. Ayaw daw niyang masaktan si Paolo Avellino at concern siya sa magiging outcome nito. Hindi naman ito naging magandang tweet para sa mga totoong nagmamahal at totoong fans ni na Paolo at Kim. Ayon sa isa, kulto. Ikaw saan kulto ka kasali? I'm guessing you are hiding behind a fake or troll account to spread your toxicity all over Twitter. Plus aren't you doing the same thing right now? Character assassination din ginagawa mo against Kim and her solid fans. Triggered ka masyado te. Paolo is a grown man. He made his choice and he can take care of himself. I've been a fan of Pao for years now. Why would I demand to put an end to Kim Pao when I see how happy Pao is right now? I've never seen him this happy, so as a fan who am I to demand him to put an end to what makes him happy? If you really know Pao, he doesn't care about the bashing and will never be affected by it. Ayon naman sa official fans club ng Kim Pao ay here we go again with this so-called concern that feels more like criticism. It's like you're suggesting Paolo can think for himself. Maybe it's best to focus on your own life and let Paolo handle his decisions. He's an adult and perfectly capable of making his own choices without needing unsolicited advice, especially on things you might not fully understand. Samantala, alam naman ng totoong fans ng dalawa na isa lang itong panira sa Kim Pao tandem na patuloy na sumisikat ngayon. Ang mahalaga ay nirerespeto nila ang isa't isa at alam ni Paolo at Kim ang katotohanan sa lahat ng mga lumalabas na issues. Anong masasabi ninyo sa balitang ito? Comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panunood.